Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to track document status here in PandaDoc. All right. It is actually pretty easy. Just go ahead and log into your PandaDoc account. And once you're in here on your dashboard, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Documents. Okay. Once done, you have here completed, draft, sent, and also viewed. Okay. You gotta go to the top left right here and filter the status. Okay. For example, only completed, or show only the completed documents. It'll apply. Now, another way to check is by going to the left panel again, go to Home. Right here, as you can see, we have the draft, action required, waiting for others, and the finalized section. Okay. There's this cool feature of PandaDoc where you can go ahead and view simple analytics right here. Just click on this analytics button. Here you have the view times, total time spent, last viewed and downloaded. Okay. This person right here viewed this document 6 times and total time spent is 6 seconds. Last viewed less than a minute ago. Downloaded, no, because he didn't click on the download button right here or the download button right here at the top right. Okay. That's how you can easily track document statuses here in PandaDoc. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.